Guys, good day, and today we're working on a hyundai XL. I'm changing two engine mounts. This one is from the back, this one's from the front, sorry. This engine mount is from the front, and this one goes in the back of between the engine and the firewall. Right, this is a hyundai XL 1994. I think it's a valve, pretty reliable engine. It's very reliable, and it's good, man. It came with a 4-speed, but I recently got a 5-speed gearbox, so this puppy runs, man. Does well. So this is where, if you can see, this is where the front engine mount will be, close to the radiator to the front. Right in the back there, if you can see it, right down in the back, this is where the back engine mount will go. That's between the firewall and the back of the engine. Basically it's under the carburetor, because this is carbureted. Alright, it's real old school. So yeah, I'll time lapse and do some more stuff. Hope you enjoy it. Well, as you can see, I have the mount in, the front mount. It's already bolted, right? This is number, this is I'm using a 916 socket. I think it's 3/8 drive with a short handle ratchet, and I tightened it nicely. This is the front mount, and I've already have the back mount in place. If you can see it, that's the back mount right there, right? I have the bolt in already. If you can see the bolt, got it right here. Maybe you cannot see it, but I've got the bolt in. I gotta put on the nut. So this is kind of not really difficult, but it's down to the back. Maybe you can see my hands. I'm gonna catch it on. Yep, there we go. Give it a couple of turns, and once that is on there, I'm gonna get me some tools, and I'll show you what goes on underneath the Hyundai XL 1994. I'm not seeing much videos of these cars on YouTube, but I'll try to put up as much as I can. Now this is what I call the crossbar, right? Yeah, this is the crossbar, and this takes both of the mounts. We call it the crossbar, and it bolts up in the front. It carries 2 bolts in the front, which are 17s, and 2 more in the back. And these are some long bolts, right? Try to catch one, maybe. Here we go. Catch one. That's a 17. And we'll catch one to the front. So get our 17 spanner and we'll drop this sucker. See? Where is the 17? I think I had the 17. It's the 18. Nope. Ah, shit. Got the 17. Oh, here we go. It's the 17 socket. 17 spanner, sorry. 17. We get another. Let's dry it up. Alright. Let me get another one. That's the just there. That's the engine mount. Just up there, if you can see it. Maybe you can see it. That's the engine mount. Where is it? That's the engine mount right here. This here is the engine mount. The back engine mount. It's just between the firewall and the engine. This is the back engine mount. It carries a, I think it carries a 17 on the passenger side, and carries a 14 on the driver's side. So it's kind of different, but that's how you change the two engine mounts on a Hyundai XL. The one in the front and the one in the back. So we'll tighten up these bolts and make it all nice and good.